Hi. We have, you can't see them all, 5 packages from eBay. Your girl went a little cuckoo crazy. I actually bought 6 in total. 1 of them came yesterday. 6 new Funko Pops. 3 are Bucky Barnes. 3 were Steve Rogers. 5 of them are right here. The other one came yesterday. It's the shawarma one at the end. I wasn't planning on doing an unboxing video, but my lovely friend and coworker Sophia thinks I should post more on YouTube. So Sophia, this is for you and you only. Let's get right into it. Cut the label and try not to cut into the... Yes, this is Bucky. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is a part of the Civil War. I'm gonna move this over. This is a part of the Captain America Civil War news set. I'm forgetting all the Marvel ones are like bobbleheads. That's him. It's pop number 1. All right, number 2. Came with one of the protective cases. I don't like those. Okay, so full, not even total like disclaimer, but full transparency here. All 3 Bucky Funko Pops are Civil War. I'm gonna, like those Wired interviews, you know, when they just like throw the things. Someone will pick that up later. This is pop number 2. It's Bucky at the end of Civil War without his arm. This pop is just really cute. So that's another Bucky. Guys, can you tell who my favorite character is? If I haven't mentioned it already. Let this be a Steve one. I don't want to open all the Bucky ones back to back. It is a Steve one. The 67. There he is. Okay. The next one is closed entirely with duct tape on the top. All right. Bucky with his arm again in Civil War, and he's got his little gun. I'm literally looking. It's the same outfit, the same arm, the same thing. I'm looking at 3 of the same pops, but not. This is so cute. I love it. If you could see, I'm gonna show you. I'm stacking those right there. That's literally the same. Those 2 are obviously the same because they came from the same set of whatever, right? But then that one's the new one. And the Steve one is over here next to me. Okay, this last one I think might be my favorite because it's from First Avenger. This makes me think of those games where they put like money and candy in bubble wrap and you have to like unwrap it in a certain amount of time. I never got anything out of those games. We used to do them in Girl Scouts. Oh, this is a Year of the Shield pop and I didn't even know it. I didn't even know that. Why is this still in my lap? And like you can tell that it's the old Chorus Girls helmet that he's got on and the original shield. It's so cute and it's so perfect. Okay, he's gonna stay. Avenger and then Angel Voltron and then all these Civil War Funko Pops and Bucky with no arm sitting at my door. Steven Grant Rogers. Yes, I'm gonna fold. He's not gonna stay. Literally the only reason I'm doing this is for Sophia. So I love you, Sophia. Have a good one, you guys. Thanks again for watching. I'm gonna go back to my Marvel marathon. I watched Infinity War and Endgame after work last night. I just hate myself. I think I just objectively hate myself.